ahead.
I'm going to be doing a presentation about Oobleck. Oobleck is a solid and liquid at the same time. So it has like little things of this and this and this.
So
that
can
means-
you please explain tell us the names of the ingredients? Thank you.
Cornstarch, fruit coloring, and water. So what you do is you have to like put them in together. Fruit color is kind of optional if you want to be a different color and stuff. And how you can make it to a hard and a solid. So it's like liquid, but once you like knead it, all the things go together in it. So it moves like super fast when you like knead it and touch it and stuff. So that means it will turn into like clay and solid.
Will you please demonstrate for us, like show us an example on camera, and then we'll experiment and do it ourselves. So show us, like, do it for us.
So I gotta make it?
Yes.
So we need a bowl. Cornstarch. So get to pick out your color. I'm probably gonna use green. So first you have to pour the cornstarch in.
How much cornstarch?
No clue.
So what's cornstarch?
Dang, your arms is what happened?
1/3 cup.
1/3?
Yeah, 1/3. I did need the water.
How much water you just poured in there?
Yeah, you pour it in until it gets to a liquid, because it doesn't have the right amount, because it's different every time. I think I mix it. You have to mix it with your hands, because that's how you know if it gets to a solid or not.
Okay.
And as you see, as you're making it, it feels hard, but you can't really see it feels hard. Just kind of not touching it. See, this is like hard. It feels soft, but it's hard at the same time. When it's in the water, it feels hard, but when you take it out the water, it's like liquidy. So let's mix it. Oh, so hard. And it's turned to a solid. But you can break it into pieces still. So let's just keep on mixing it. And you see, this is hard. Like you can break it into chunks. But it was soft, like powder at first. So that means it's not ready yet. Just keep on adding water. And you see it's hard. But then it melts.
Oh,
Just like
wow.
that.
Do that again. That was kind of neat. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay.
And that's how it was.
And that's Oobleck. Okay.